During the pandemic, narinig niyo yung word na supply chain. I think the pandemic was quite good because it brought about an understanding of what supply chain is all about. There are at least 5 major elements of a supply chain. First, tinatawag natin na plan. Ano yung plan? Yung plan, diyang ginagawa yung pag-understand kung ano yung forecast, ano yung demand. Ano ba talaga ang probable na bibili ng mga consumers? Ano yun? Ilang quantity, ano ang selection, and kailangan yan parang ma-ready ng MSME o yung kumpanya kung anong dapat niyang i-ready. May raw materials kayo, may packaging supply kayo, may transportation kayo, may workers kayo. Marami kayong kailangan i-ready para maging available. Poor planning leads to poor execution. So very important. In fact, I put a lot of emphasis dito na if you are a company, regardless of your size, put a lot of emphasis yung sa planning. Nandiyan ang forecasting and inventory management. Second thing is yung source. Source is about acquiring, pagbibili ng mga materials nyo, ng packaging, ng transportation, pagbibili ng anything that you spend money on. May kasabihan kami sa supply chain that money saved is money to the bottom line. Can you imagine if you don't have a good source of raw material? Ang problem sa mga MSM is they are successful on the initial stage but they get lost kasi sometimes wala silang pagkukunan ng mga things na kailangan nila to sustain the right level of inventory or scale to support the business. Third is make. Ito po yung tinatawag kong production. When you do production and manufacturing, that is part of the supply chain. This is to ensure the quality and the processes are consistent to customer expectation. When you deliver, which is the fourth one, when you deliver, ito na po yung tinatawag nating logistics. Sa logistics, we manage yung pag-warehouse. We manage the distribution. We manage the transportation. Can you imagine that if you don't know anything about warehouse or storage or cold chain, and if your product depends so much on good temperature, baka mabulok yung item and malugi kayo sa business nyo. If you are behind transportation, if you have the wrong set of transportation, baka mas mataas pa ang transportation kaysa sa product na binibenta mo. And that can really mean a big success or failure for your company. More and more companies also, nilalagay nila yung tipong return. Ano yung return? Ito yung tinatawag naming reverse logistics. Sometimes, may mga packaging material kayo, for example, plastic, na kailangan pala isauli sa inyo kasi gagamitin nyo uli yan. So, tinitingnan yan sa supply chain. Another area ng return is, for example, kailangan nyo palang i-repair yung item na binibenta mo o kailangan mong i-service or kailangan mong i-recalibrate. You have to take into consideration that that area is still part of the supply chain and you have to prepare that also.